So for this particular lesson of angle properties of circles, we're going to learn that angles at the center of the circle is twice the angle of the circumference subtended by the same arc. So how would this look like in a circle? Okay, so if we have a circle here, okay, and this is the center of the circle, okay, let's call the center of the circle O. Okay, this is A, this is B, okay, and this is C. Okay, this is the so this is the angle at the center of the circle. Okay, and this is C. Let's call this point C. This, let me draw a line straight down like that. Okay, so we say that the angle of the circle, okay, is twice the angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc, the arc being AB. Alright, from the arc AB and you draw lines to the center of the circle, this angle at the center of the circle is twice that of the angle, okay, subtended by this same arc. Alright, so angle at circumference is x, angle at the center is 2x. Okay, another variation is this. Okay, you've got a circle here. Okay, well, this is the center of circle. Okay, you draw a line that passes through the center of circle. Okay, let the center of circle be O, this be A. Okay, let this be B, and this be C. Okay, so it's the same thing. Angle formed at the center of the circle is twice of the angle. Okay, if this is 2x, this has to be x. Is twice of the angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc. So with AB being that arc, okay, formed from this arc. Okay, so straight lines extend from AB. Alright, okay, so another variation is this. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. Okay, is A, B, let O be the center of circle. Okay, you can see that this is a four-sided figure, a quadrilateral within the circle itself. Okay, and the arc that we are considering is AB here. Okay, this is X. Okay, and this here is 2X. Okay, let this point be C. So the arc we are considering is this AB. This major arc here. Okay. Okay, and the angle at the center here is actually twice that of the angle at the circumference. So this is 2x, this is x. Okay, so basically we say in abbreviated mode, angle at center angle at center equals twice of the angle at circumference. So this is the reason that you write down once you spot this. Alright, angle at circumference is equals 2 times of angle at circumference. Okay, you can write it like that in abbreviated mode as your statement.